Let's prep my nails for a Gentle Gels Henna-free product application. Using a cuticle pusher, begin to gently push your cuticles back, separating same from your nail plate. Next, use a cuticle scraper to lightly scrape away any dried or dead cuticles that may be stuck to your nail plate. Please be mindful not to direct the sharpened tip of the cuticle scraper downwards into your nail plate, as this can cause trauma. While I personally accumulate a lot of dried cuticle on my nails, this isn't always the case for everyone. As such, feel free to spend as little or as much time on this step as needed. Completing this step will reveal a cleaner cuticle pocket and will aid you in a more refined application of product towards the cuticle. The next two steps are optional and not a requirement, but if skilled enough to do so, use an e-file to further clean any dried cuticle from underneath the cuticle pocket. If desired, you can then move on to trimming your cuticles using a cuticle scissors or nipper. Next, using a 220 grit nail file, begin to shape or refine your desired nail shape. Remember to always view your nails from a side profile and a forward-facing view to ensure that you are happy with the shaping results. And now, using a 240 grit nail file, begin to gently buff away any shine from the nail plate. Be mindful to also place focus around the cuticle pocket, as this is an area that is usually prone to lifting. Thoroughly prepped nails is the key to a long-lasting manicure. Learning a new skill does take some time, but remember, practice will always make perfect in the end. Should you have thin or fragile nail beds, feel free to use a fine grit buffer instead. For maximum adhesion, the Perfect Prep Primer should always be applied in advance of your Gentle Gels application. And just like that, your nails have been perfectly prepped and are perfectly prepared for your Gentle Gels Henna-free product application.